What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video in the garage. This week we're going to focus on getting the rest of the car cleaned out. We're going to take these door panels off, get the rest of the wiring, the motor, everything else out. Hopefully this doesn't take us too long. Got a decent amount of work ahead of us, so let's get started.
I got the cash in the bag, born a rock star in the life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, with no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, I'll live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life.
So we have the motor fully pulled out of the car now. We do need to get some AN caps to plug off all of our oil ports. As you can see, we made quite a mess doing it, but it's on a very jerry-rigged stand right now. Not the best equipment available, but we'll make do with what we have. The chassis is pretty much 99% of the way there. Obviously, we left behind the master cylinder for the brakes, as well as the steering column, the shift linkage, and all the brake lines. I figured that stuff shouldn't take too long to do in the future, and we're now at the point to where we need to clean off this chassis pretty well. You can see where our steering rack was living. There's a lot of grease buildup right there, as well as just behind where the firewall was. This car was pretty dirty underneath, so we're gonna go through and try and get what we can cleaned up. fix any spots that may have rust or just straight up bare metal. I don't think we're gonna paint it any different color. I think we're gonna keep it red for this season. We're definitely well on our way to getting the car put back together, and that should hopefully be just as difficult as pulling it apart, if not a little bit easier. Obviously, we're gonna go through and replace every single bit of hardware that we can. I'm coming up with a little bit of a checklist for all the maintenance stuff that needs to be done. So if you guys have any ideas of what needs to be on there, please go ahead and leave a comment. Being new to these cars, there's a ton of information, but not a lot of people willing to share it. So any advice would be appreciated. hopefully we remember where everything actually went. We're gonna try and put just a generic setup in the car, something middle ground and not as pushy or useful as you would need, especially with the hurt motor we have. But we're gonna try and make do with our season, so hopefully everything starts coming back together. I appreciate you guys watching and I hope to catch you in the next one.